Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain copywork of textbook lesson 7. Prepare the chapter index of this lesson. Lesson 7, the handicrafts of Pakistan, glossary, paragraph comprehension and question answers are the chapter content. Glossary. Heritage means विरसा, imprints, नकूश, successive, यक्के बाद दीगरे. Civilization, तहजीब. Dialect, ज़िले की बोली, किसी इलाके की बोली. लसानियात, फोकलोर, रसूम, लोक. कॉनिसर, वाकिफ़कार. व्रोट, मुशक्क़त. रेमिनिसेंट, याद दिलाने वाला. कार्विंग, संग तराशी. आइवरी, हाथी दांत. इनलेड, जुड़ना, कीमती मोती को किसी चीज़ में जोड़ना. सतह से. पैटर्न, नमूना. एग्जोटिक, परदेसी. क्विल्ट, रज़ाई. ग्लोरियस, शानदार. डिस्टिंक्टिव, मुख्तलिफ. एलिगेंस, ज़ेबाइश. डेलिकेसी, नाजुकी. नाजुक. एक्सक्विजिट, उम्दा. वोवन, जोड़ना. बोस्ट, फ़ख्र से बात करना. बैगपाइप्स, बीन. कोवेटेड, ललचाना. इंडिजिनस, देसी. Heritage, the history, tradition and qualities that a country or society has had for many years and that are considered an important part of its character. Imprints, to have a great effect on something so that it cannot be forgotten or changed, etc. Successive, following immediately one after the other. Civilization, a society, its culture and its way of life during a particular period of time in a particular part of the world. Dialect, the form of a language that is spoken in one area with grammar, words and pronunciation that may be different from other forms of the same language. Folklore, the tradition and stories of a country or community. Connoisseur, an expert on matters involving the judgment of beauty, quality or skill in art, food or music. Broadcast, something to happen, specially a change to shape or mold something. Reminiscent, reminding you of somebody, something from past. Carving, an object or a pattern made by cutting away material from wood or stone. Ivory, a hard yellowish white substance like bone that forms the tusks, long teeth of elephants and some other animals. Inlaid, of furniture or floors, etc., decorated with designs of wood, metal, etc., that are set into the surface. Pattern, the regular way in which something happens or is done. Exotic, from or in another country, especially a tropical one, seeming exciting and unusual because it is connected with foreign countries. Quilt, a decorative cover for a bed made of 2 layers with soft material between them. Glorious, deserving, a bringing great fame and success. Distinctive, having a quality or characteristic that makes something different and easily noticed. Elegance, the quality of being attractive and showing a good sense of style. Delicacy, the quality of being or appearing to be easy to damage or break. Exquisite, extremely beautiful or carefully made. Woven, to make cloth, a carpet, a basket, etc., by crossing threads or strips across, over and under each other by hand or on a machine called a loom. Boast, to talk with too much pride about something that you have or can do. Bagpipe, a musical instrument. Coveted, to want something very much, especially something that belongs to somebody else. Indigenous, belonging to a particular place rather than coming to it from somewhere else. Lesson 7. Students, I took paragraph 5 from this lesson 7, which is on page 65, from word embroidery to in Pakistan. Embroidery is one of the most sought out handicrafts of Pakistan the world over. Sawat is well known for thread embroidery, whereas in DG Khan mirror work is done on cloths. Work of these types are called kadhai, chitrali patti, that is woven on handlooms, and kadhai done on chitrali choga is very famous. Needlework in Balochistan of various designs and embroidery techniques which vary from place to place. Different areas of Balochistan are known for their distinctive design. Dera Bukti is famous for Kochik stitching pattern which is embroidered on shawls and shirts for the women. It is famous and popular everywhere. Question number 1. Which district is famous for thread embroidery? Sawat is well known for thread embroidery. Remember, Sawat is district. What is famous embroidery of Balochistan? Needlework in Balochistan is of various designs and embroidery techniques which vary from place to place. Where is Dera Bukti situated? Dera Bukti is situated in Balochistan. In which city? Mirror work is done on clothes. In DG Khan, mirror work is done on clothes. What is the topic sentence of this paragraph? Embroidery is one of the most sought out handicrafts of Pakistan the world over. This is the topic sentence. Come to question answers. Exercise comprehension. Answer the following question. How are the artisan and craftsmen the cultural recognition of Pakistan? The artisans and craftsmen are the cultural recognition of Pakistan because they produce some of the most fascinating handicrafts that depict its glorious history and rich culture. Which are the famous handicrafts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Chitrali Patti, Sawati shawl and marble carving are the most famous handicraft of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Which handicraft is Multan famous for? Multan is famous for the blue pottery made of special clay and camel skin lamps. Which handicraft of Balochistan is dated back to Paleolithic age? The utility articles include marble carved in decorative pattern are dated back to the Paleolithic age in Balochistan. What are the handicrafts of Sialkot and what is it famous for? Sialkot is famous for handmade sport goods. Especially football has gained worldwide recognition. How can handicrafts contribute to the economic growth of the country? The handicraft provide jobs to a large number of people and they are also exported. They reduce also the unemployment and increase economic growth of the country. Economic growth, maashi tarakki. Do this work in your notebook and learn it. Bring your notebook to the school for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.